The 2007 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, fog lights, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.